You for murder, Nicholas.
I shot the bowman in self-defense.
You're a lawyer. You don't believe that's going to hold up? Damn it. If you don't cooperate, I won't be able to help you.
Why would you want to help me?
We each have something that the other wants. I want copies of the will you forged, and you want a hell of an attorney to defend you. We might be able to plea bargain. They want Angelica more than you.
All right. Now get these guys out of here.
He's singing like a bird. I'll just need a few more minutes. I'll join you outside.